You see an email from one of my students. This is from the 12-day Audacity Accelerator Program, and just after the 4th day, he is able to produce ACX quality audio. By learning only a handful of concepts, my students published audiobooks on Audible and Amazon. You may want to pause the video to read the email. That will give you an idea of how effective the 12-day Audacity learning program is. If you don't know about publishing audiobooks, your audio has to be of pristine quality to be accepted there. But do you know how much audio editing you have to know to get such audio quality? If you can read the meter levels in Audacity, you will be able to configure most audio effects properly. To help you learn the things that matter in Audacity, I have designed an assignment-based 12-day workshop. Each day, you will need to work for only 30 minutes on your own time. You do not have to be present at a specific time. You choose your own time and work on it. You just have to follow simple instructions. You will get feedback on your work. You will know exactly what you have done wrong, and the learning will be with you forever. The seats are filling up fast, so act now to reserve your spot. You will also receive a free bonus of $348. This program also comes up with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you cannot produce ACX quality audio after the 7th assignment, you will get 100% money back. Your bonus package will be paused if you want to keep the money back option open. As soon as you feel you do not need your money back, I will add you to the bonuses. The money back option is given so that you do not incur any economic loss if you do not get the result. Currently, one workshop is running, and the next one is on the 27th of May. Seats are filling up pretty fast, so act now. You can get it from this Buy Me a Coffee link or from my shop page. My shop page supports more payment methods. If your preferred payment method is not in Buy Me Coffee or you face any issues with payments, you can use the shop page. Both links will be in the description. Both the links have the same product, so order from any of the links, and you will be given access.